You're gonna love the 2019 Ford Mustang. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. For those who will settle for nothing short of legendary, this high-performance Ford Mustang pulses with indomitable spirit and rebellious style. On the track, drag strip, or highways and country roads, this quintessential pony car infuses your driving life with pure adrenaline wrapped in a smart, beautiful package. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, premium sound system, cooled front seat, heated mirrors, keyless start, power passenger seat, satellite radio, multi-zone AC. Life is short. Make every drive count in this fiery Mustang. The excitement begins with a test drive. We'll toss you the keys and start you on your way.